Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivatives. So now I will show you how to answer. If you look carefully on the graph, we have the corner in here. This is about the corner. When we see this one in here, we always know this one does not exist. Because this one does not exist, so we cannot find first derivative of the function equal to number 0, 2. So this is the technique to do. So on the question A, they want to find this point in here. Now if we look carefully on the graph, we know that when first derivative of the function equal to number 0, that means there should be about critical points, and we also know that the tangent should be about horizontal. So if I put this one cone here, we see that the tangent is horizontal in here. Similar for this one, number 4, they are horizontal, but the point S number 3, they go like this. So that's not about f of first derivative of the function equal to number 0 in the point number 3. And this point number 2, we see that they are same too. So the answer for the question in here, that's about this one, and this one. So here is about the answer. Question B, second derivative of the function equal to number 0. If we want to find this point in here, we can look carefully in this one. We see that this is about critical point, and critical point. And we know that between two critical points, there is one point they can change in here. That's about inflection point between two critical points. We just have only S number 3, and that's about this point in here. The next one, just like we mentioned, we have the corner in here, so that's about S number 1. Question D, relative maximum. We see that this is about minimum. This one cannot be max or min because this is they go down, later that another they go down. That means this one is about first derivative is negative. This one is about first derivative is negative. So everything in here they go down in this way. So we cannot compare max or min. So question D should be about none of these. And the last one, f has a point of inflection. That is the point in here, like we do question B. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.